Hey there! So today I'm going to try something a bit different. This is Rawbots. This is a game that I just heard about this afternoon when I read about it on I think The Verge or somewhere. But yeah, it's apparently a robot building game, kind of like Kerbal Space Program is for rockets. This is for robots. And there's also an element of programming in it, and I thought that's kind of cool because as my day job, I'm a programmer, and as my night job, I am a YouTube celebrity extraordinaire. I am not that. Don't listen to that. That is a lie. But yes, that's about all I know about this game. Really, it's got robots and it's got programming, and it's a game. And this is like the first time I've loaded this up. I mean, I've done a bit to test out the volumes for microphone recording and all that sort of stuff, but I'm going to this pretty darn cold. Okay, so I've got a robot and a mouse, and a sign over there says warning spoilers ahead. So let's see, I cannot control camera with the mouse. I can click on that, and that does something, but I don't really know what. Oh, I seem to be dragging myself, but I don't think that's the way. Okay, arrow keys. Arrow keys is making the camera move. Lag, hello lag. Did I mention this is pre-alpha? This is pre-alpha. There's currently a Kickstarter going for it. I'll have a link for that. And I think I'm going to like this game, so you'll probably want to click on that link. Okay, so I'm a little robot guy with a lightning body and four wheels. Let's see, W, yes. Okay, WA. Okay. That makes sense. Right. And go forward. Okay, go through the ghost grass and a light bridge, I guess. Sorry, I'm just kind of saying everything that I see in front of my eyeballs because I really don't know what I'm doing, and this camera's kind of hard to control. Okay, there we go, there we go. Now, let's see, can I... Okay, those just open by themselves. And what's all this do? Okay, can we zoom in on that? Yeah, there we go. Okay, connect. So I press 1. I'm pressing 1. Or do I press or hover over that while pressing 1? Yes, I do. Okay. Now, what'd that do for me? What can I do now? Is that... Okay, I am... Whoa, what did I just do? Whoa! Whoa, what was that? I think I just tried to mount myself onto myself? Okay, I'm gonna try that again. Okay. Okay, hover over that. Or, wait, no, I press 1, and then I hover over that. What does this do for me? I can't really tell. Same thing happened. Okay, let's go on to the next thing. Maybe this will make better sense. Okay, if I press 2, and then click on something, I get a glowy line. Let's take a closer look at that. Yeah, I've got a glowy line. I don't really know what the implications of that are, but it's there. Maybe it's like a sort of a structural thing. Okay, let's zoom back out there. Let's continue on to the next sign. Also, the world is transparent. I just noticed this. Whoa, and this is really hard camera to control. Did I say this is pre-alpha? This is pre-alpha. Okay, open console. Why do I want to do that though? Okay, I guess that's just teaching me the controls. I'll have to look up more information later. Get part tile? Wait. Okay. Wait, so if I click on something and then drag, that doesn't do anything. Wait, oh. Wait, do I have to open the console and then... Is that how that works? No, that's not how that works. I am being so informative. Create operand. Okay, this is getting weird. Control. Whoa, I got a glowy spike thing. Whoa, whoa. That was a lot of interface right there. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, camera. Extension T. Oh, these are parts. Okay, now I'm getting a bit more comfortable. Now I know how to make things. I can make a grenade, apparently. Let's not do that. A flux capacitor. Tempting. Okay, I'm looking for like a little box, essentially, just like a chassis of some sort. Laser, jet, extension fin, fist, continuum. Okay, I guess that's a continuum. Oh, wait, so if I... Oh, I think I know what the other signs are telling me to do. Okay, so if I press 1, and then click there, and then click there. Aha! I made a thing! I gave myself a tail! Aha! I'm now slightly heavier. Add inputs and... Ooh, this is getting interesting. Inputs and outputs. Okay, control. What's it telling me to do? Okay, go. Oh, wait, no, that's tab and click. Okay. Wait, is it? Whoa, oh my. Is this a camera? Hello, camera. Okay. Now what's it telling me to do? Okay. Control. I am confused. Okay. Okay. Loop image. I need that thing to loop so I can see what to do. Okay. Control. That's not the thing. Oh man, this is getting. Wait. If I am. Is there... I'll be very annoyed if I can't figure out how to program in this, because this is the whole programming element that was really what got my attention about the whole business. Okay, control tab, maybe? No. Although I am noticing a bit of a dynamicness to this menu. Like if I do it over there, I get like that. If I do it over here, I get it clustered like that. Like if I... Okay, so it's like generating the menu dynamically. That's neat. That's a really clever little thing it's doing there. Okay, so let's see. What is it telling me to do? Control. And do what? I am sorry. This is probably incredibly obvious in hindsight what I'm supposed to be doing here, but I'm not seeing it. I've given myself a hat, so there's that. Maybe I'm supposed to... Okay. Wait, am I supposed to be doing that in... Oh! The console is the console. Okay. Okay. Now I need to zoom back out and get another look at the instructions now that I know what I'm doing. Okay, input sampler. And go from there. Okay. Wait, that's not what I was supposed to be doing. It's supposed to be click like so. Continuum. I have no idea what that is. Okay, let's try over here. Input sampler. Do I click and drag that onto something? What's it telling me to do? Oh, I can zoom in and out. That's nice, I suppose, but that's not what I need to be doing. I need to... Oh, to hell with it. I'll do it later. Oh, and physics that's happening. And, okay, connect tiles. Okay, this is getting fairly advanced now, I believe. Okay, let's try and do that other thing first. Hello, lag. Nice to see you, lag. What brings you to these parts? Okay, now let's watch this again. Come on, thing, loop. I need you to loop so I can see everything. Okay, control. No, not there. Wait, can I delete that? How do I open up that? I'm holding tab like the thing is saying, and it's not doing what it shows to be doing. And I'm missing something incredibly obvious. I just know it. Fuck. Okay. I'll be back. Okay, I went and looked it up, and that little diagram there is a bald-faced liar. Tab is not involved in any way. What you need to do is you need to Control-click, create input sampler, Control-click again to bring that up. Tab is not involved. Okay, positive. Now, why did I do that? What does that mean? What does it mean for the input sampler to be positive? Suppose it has a better outlook on life? Sample. I wonder what sample does. Okay, so I guess I need to put that, bind that to some sort of something. Okay, so I put that there. That shows me a camera. Now I create an input sampler. Sample. And can I stick that onto that? Okay, this is not getting me anywhere. Okay, I'm going to look at that other thing. Maybe the other sign said something, and there's the bumpy thing. Connect tiles by control-clicking them, I think. Okay, so if I... Okay, so there's the camera. Control... No, that didn't do it. Maybe this is where I use tab. Oh, hello. There's more of this. Okay. Let's use activity. Wait, so what if I... Okay, what if I plant myself this ways? Okay, now it detects no activity, no movement. That makes sense. But if I point it back at the screen, then will it... No, it doesn't detect activity. Maybe I'm not pointing directly at it. Okay, there we are. Yeah, now it detects activity. Okay. I'm starting to get the hang of this. Wait, can I... Okay, so what if... Part... Wait. What? Wait, okay, that's the wheel, not the motor. Okay, that's the motor. Hello. That's a thing. What is this? Oh, that's not sampling input from the world. That's sampling input from the me, from like the keyboard and whatnot. Okay, this is starting to make more sense. It's probably going to be an extremely dull thing for people to watch, because it's just me being stupid until I'm not stupid anymore. But let's see if we can't back out of this, because I'm pretty sure this is the tutorial world. Let's see if I can't find the real world. And we're back. That pause was a bit longer than I expected. I meant to just load up the other world, but instead I found myself in this. This is apparently the main game space, because apparently you are supposed to create the world yourself. I had to actually be able to look up online on this. I hoped to do this completely cold, but there is no way that I would have figured out that you have to hold 6 and then click around to make land happen. Wait, can I do that there? Okay. But yes, I'm using 6 and this little hex menu to make terrain appear around me. Also, you'll note that I put some little extra stuff on top of my guy I also spent some time playing around with the programming aspects of it, and it's really cool. It's a very interesting event-based system that I'll probably have to delve way deeper into to fully understand, but I look forward to doing so. It looks, at the same time, it's both intuitive and deep, which is really hard to do. Like, I can see that you can express some pretty complex stuff in this, but you don't have to know the whole thing to do something with it. It's a good thing in a language, I think. Okay, now I'm gonna try and make a little pond here, if I can, and water, sploosh, water. Okay, does that looking? Yeah, that looks like a pond. And let's put walls around me like this. And I'm still making water. Oh shoot. No matter, you can. Well, let's see. Yeah. Oh yeah. 7 can delete, so we can pretend that never happened. And back on dirt. Click there, and there, and there, and let's make a little canyon thing. And now I'm playing Hexagon Minecraft. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, that'll do me. Okay. And let's take a look at the programming that I put on this bot. First off, there's the stuff that came with. This is on each of the motor wheels. And I'm not going to pretend to know what all this is just yet, but it's starting to make sense. It's starting to, like this here, this is getting input from the from the keyboard for the W and S keys, and then it's doing something with it and spitting that to the motor. Same thing for the A and D keys. It gets the input, does magic, sends them to the motors. I don't know. Here's what I did for that little light on top. That's just a sine wave coming out of it. Just a regular old sine wave, frequency 0.5, amplitude 0.25, and it does a little flash. I set it on purpose, but who knows? Might come in handy someday. Now here's the thing. That's a grenade, and if I press X, it would explode. That doesn't seem like something that I would normally want to do, but I saw a grenade and figured, well dang, I'm going to have to use one of these. So it's there. But let's see how we handle the terrain we've built. Can we climb up? We can almost climb up walls, actually. That's odd. And still having to fight with these camera controls. I expect at some point they'll try and do better on those. But I can be forgiving because this is just so fun. Like, I know this doesn't look like much, but making this was so incredibly fun. I'll probably do this a bit on live streaming a bit. And yes, that's about the shape of that. And oh no, I'm pressing X. And that's what happens when you press X. And there goes the world. So yeah, I think I'm going to sink a lot of time into this game. Earlier I said that this is kind of like Kerbal Space Program is for rockets, this is for robots, and that I think is really true. It feels like Kerbal Space Program but for robots. It's taking out all the extraneous stuff, leaving just the essence of the task. Like, if you want to build a rocket, you stick an engine, you stick a fuel tank, you stick some fins, you press go. If you want to build a robot, you stick a wheel, you stick an eyeball, you do some programming, and you go. It's just streamlined, and it's gamifying a really complex task. And if this game is going to eat my life like Kerbal Space Program did, I might want to get out now, but I don't dare. But yes, this game is currently undergoing a Kickstarter. There's a link for that in the description. And if you like Kerbal Space Program, you will like this game. That's all I'm going to say about that. Check it out. I know I'm going to be doing more of this after I end the video. See you guys. What's that thing? Is that my lamp? It's still flashing. That's wacky and zany and weird. And why am I still flipping? I think I might be trying to break the game here. Okay, I'm going to call this before the game explodes. Bye.